There are fingerprints on every item. So from this frame being hand carved in solid maple to the leather being hand cut.
70 to 75 different pairs of hands from the time that we get the fabric in to the time it gets shipped out of the door.
With Raleigh Custom Homes, there are many things that you don't see that we put into the quality of the home. And that's exactly the same thing with all of Theodore Alexander's furniture.
We saw an opportunity to really tell the story of livable luxury. It's not just about picking beautiful furniture, but it's creating interiors that feel timeless, that have good craftsmanship, and Raleigh Custom Homes does a really good job of that.
I think when we were starting this process of working with Theodore Alexander, we really wanted to tap into a lot of their customization capabilities. And one of the things that they offer is their TailorFit program, which in my view is one of the best offerings in terms of customization. You can customize the size. There's over 1,000 fabrics you can choose from. The level of quality in their finishing and the cushion offerings.
You know, you can see the outside of the furniture, right? That's the sexy part. What you don't see is the way that it's built underneath, and there is a difference. And I've learned that solid wood, the way the wood is connected, the glues that are used, when you sit in it, you feel it, you understand it, and that's the biggest difference that Raleigh Custom Homes wanted to show in Parade this year, is they wanted to make available furnishings that a buyer at this price point would want to purchase and feel comfortable living in, and that is the ultimate luxury.